You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing words and names and vocabulary that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, it is generally said as matelot, with a stress on the first syllable, but because this is a word of French origin, for reference in French it is said as matelot. There's no particular emphasis on any particular syllable in French. This is why in English some say it also as matelot, matelot or matelot. Both are correct, because again in French it is said as matelot. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.